Graco, the brand preferred by pros. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a serious DIY enthusiast, a handyman or remodeling contractor, or a painting professional, Graco makes the ideal airless spraying equipment to meet your needs. Whether you are just starting out or moving up, choose the Magnum or Graco model to help you handle your job with ease. No matter what you're painting, entire homes, rooms, decks, or fences, Graco has you covered. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Control speed. Variable speed control lets you determine the pace for ultimate control on your project. Reversible spray tip allows you to reverse the tip when clogged to keep you spraying. Number 2. Storage case. Durable storage case protects the sprayer while keeping tips and accessories organized. Number 3. Spray paint unthinned. Stainless steel piston pump allows you to spray paint unthinned at high pressure. Number 4. Spray in any direction. VacuValve technology creates an airtight system allowing you to spray in any direction, even upside down. Number 5. Recommended use. Annual use recommendation is up to 25 gallons per year. Number 6. Ideal for multicolor projects. FlexLiner Bag replaces traditional material cups, reuse or recycle when you're done. Number 7. Included with sprayer. 2 to 0.015 inch reversible spray tips, 4 in. Narrow and 12 inches wide, 4 to 42 ounces FlexLiner bags, operation manual, and storage case. Proudly made in the USA. Voltage, 120 volts, ETL certified. Number 8. Quickly paint interior trim with a quality finish. It's never been easier to update the inside of your home. Using a TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayer will save you hours of time compared to brushing and rolling, and you'll always deliver a smooth, professional finish on all of your interior trim and millwork. Number 9. Refresh your old outdoor furniture. Outdoor furniture can fade and look tired after a few seasons of harsh sun and heavy rain. TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayers make staining or painting your outdoor furniture a breeze. Improve your home's appeal while helping preserve and protect your outdoor furniture from the sun and weather. Number 10. Give new life to your front door. A beautiful front door can make a statement while setting the tone for the rest of your home. Angled panels and ornate details are no problem when using a TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayer. You'll finish this easy project in less than half the time of brushing or rolling, and you'll always get a smooth and even professional finish. Number 11. Quickly update interior furniture. Easily breathe new life into outdated or tired-looking furniture in your home with a TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayer. Easily get smooth, even coverage on all the nooks and detailed areas, and you'll finish in a fraction of the time compared to using a brush and roller. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is this able to spray oil-based paints without thinning it? Answer. Typically yes, the TrueCoat 360 VSP can spray most materials that can be cleaned with water or mineral spirits. Check the back of the can of paint to see what the manufacturer recommends for tip size. The TrueCoat 360 tips have a 0.015-inch orifice. Question number 2. Are there other paint sprayer parts that can be used with the 360 VSP? 32 ounces cup spray tips? Answer. The only tips that work are the 2 tips that come with it. You can use the 32 ounces cup system with the VSP model. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.